Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to send friend request on Roblox. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, go ahead and tap on Add Friends. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Now you can go ahead and type in the ID of the person that you want to add. Once you're done, tap on Send. You can now tap on the add icon in order to send your friend request. And that's it. This is how you send friend request on Roblox. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.